Hi there. Thanks for joining today's flight. I'm the Marco Island Eagle Eye, and I search far and wide to find you the best real estate deals and provide you with an in-depth look within our favorite communities and our best value properties. So hop on board, fasten your seatbelt, and enjoy your destination. The Eagle Cay community is located on the south end of Marco Island and features outstanding views of the Caxambas Pass all the way to the 10,000 Islands. Eagle Cay has a lot to offer in its lush tropical landscaping and breathtaking views, but its direct access to open water is what makes this paradise highly desirable. This vibrant boating community is made up of 5 separate buildings, each with its own appealing features. Building 1 comes in at the smallest, with just 4 units in this single-story design. Building 1 residents enjoy a fenced-in front yard and a detached covered parking space. Buildings 2 and 3 come in next as 5-story mid-rise designs, housing a total of 22 units each. Buildings 2 and 3 have first-floor garages, where residents have an assigned spot as well as extra space for storage. Building 4 is home to 34 units spread over 7 floors. Located on the tip, it's got a nice wide view of the intersecting canals. It's a great place to relax while watching the boats pass by. Building 5 is the largest, at 9 floors and a total of 44 units. Here you'll find huge water views of Caxambas Pass and the 10,000 Islands. The 4 and 5 buildings also feature the garage and storage layout on the first floor, as well as detached covered parking on the sides. Tennis, pickleball, bocce, and shuffleboard courts can be found at the center of this active community. One of 2 community pools, as well as the social room and barbecue area, are also at the heart of this vibrant community. The second pool features awesome Gulf views and can be found on the south side of Building 5. Eagle Cay units can be sold with a deeded dock slip and lift already included. Other residents can lease them when available or use one of the common dock spaces without a lift. There's on-site canoe and kayak storage, as well as a boat launch conveniently located next door at Caxambas Park and Marina. Life is good on the open water, and it's right in your backyard when you're at the Eagle Cay on Marco Island. I hope you enjoyed today's flight. The MarcoIslandRealEstate.com team has helped make dreams come true for more than 400 satisfied clients, enjoying over $300 million in real estate. Please call our Eagle Eye team today at 239-394-2500 or click onto the links for more information.